Hi, and welcome to a Visualogyx tutorial. After completing this tutorial, you will be familiar with the main concepts and functionality of the Visualogyx platform and ready to get started using the application. First, let's go through a general review of the application's organizational structure and how to manage teams and users in Visualogyx. The first time you log into the platform, you will find the organization and the team you entered during the sign-up process. Click on Settings under your organization's name to change the default logo of your organization. To upload your organization's logo, click here. Select Change Logo on the menu, and choose your new logo image. The process can be repeated for your organization's icon. Your organization's icon will show on your Visualogyx platform, and your logo will appear on the inspection reports you can generate and share. Visualogyx can adapt to your company's structure. You can configure multiple organizations with multiple teams. To add a new team to your organization, click here. Enter your team's name, and select Create. Each team will have its inspections, projects, and templates. Now that we have learned how to add teams to your organization, let's invite other users to work with you. You can invite new users to be part of your teams by returning to your organization settings. Select Users on the menu. Click on the Invite User button. Enter the email address of the user you want to invite, and select the teams you want the user to be part of. Assign a role to the user. Users can have different roles and permissions. Click on Send the invitation to complete the process. The new user will get an email with instructions to join your team. Organization users and permissions can be managed on this screen. An inspection is a digital document of validation or verification completed in Visualogyx by you or another user in your teams. An inspection typically contains text notes, file attachments, pictures, barcode scans, form fields, etc. All your inspections are stored in the Visualogyx cloud for future access and reporting. As your team works on inspections, they will be listed here in the left navigation bar under your team's inspections. A free-form inspection is usually conducted on the go as an event unfolds. So, let's use the Visualogyx mobile app to learn how to start one. Tap here to find your team and select the Inspections option. Tap on the New Inspections icon to start a new inspection. Select the Free-Form Inspection option to create one from scratch. In a free-form inspection, you can use different tools to capture data. There is a camera to take photos and videos, a note option to enter any text, a location check-in option, an audio note tool, an option to capture barcodes and QR codes, and a tool designed to count objects called In-Stock Count. Another way to start an inspection is by using a predefined template. Visualogyx provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface to create custom forms and checklists. Select the Templates option under your team. This is where you will find a list of all templates as you create them. Click on the New Template button to access the template builder. On the left side of the screen, you will find all the different types of widgets that can be used to build a template. Drag and drop widgets into the Edit area to design your template. Each widget can be configured to your needs by changing its properties on the right. Once you have finished building your template, publish it to make it available to your teams. Templates are stored in the cloud, and your team can reuse them or edit them as often as needed. To run an inspection based on the template you just published, go to the Inspections option and click on New Inspection. In the menu, select the template you just created and start the inspection. If you don't want to start a template from scratch, you may find one that fits your needs in our public templates. From the Templates option, click on the Public Templates button. This is where you can find templates shared by other Visualogyx users. Here you can filter the list by industry or business function, or use the search field. Once you have found a public template you would like to use, import it into your work area by clicking on the Import icon. Select the team to which the template should be imported. Once imported, you will be able to edit it to your specific requirements. A report in Visualogyx is a digital document that contains all information captured in an inspection. In your Visualogyx mobile app, tap on the inspection option under Team. Select any inspection. To generate a report, tap on the menu in the corner. Then, tap on Report. The View Report option lets you preview and share the report as a PDF. The Email Report option allows you to craft an email message and send the report as an attachment. And in the Configure Report option, you can find different configuration settings for the report. In Visualogyx, you can group multiple related inspections under Projects. To start a new project, go to the Projects option under a team and click on the New Project button. On this screen, you can enter details and custom fields to describe your project. To add existing or new inspections to be assigned to this project, click on the Add Inspection button. You can also invite third-party users to view and collaborate on your projects. This covers the basic concepts and functionality to get you started with Visualogyx. If you want to request a new feature, report an issue, or schedule personal training, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Thank you.